star in my own space. I don't need to fight with anyone. Yeah, I don't need to compete with anyone. Nje focus is Kitutu Chacha South and Kenya. You understand? Into we are members of the National Assembly. Igeminity na togo focus ya saba to be constituency ito na Kenya ngima kwa jumla. That is why you hear I talk about serious national issues. Sha amangana libareko near airport. I talk about distribution of job opportunities, development projects. That is my focus. Yeah. Ere, his focus is to defend his boss. My focus is to fight for the people.
And for your new boss.
I have no boss. I'm pushing for change. And change is not, Matiang'i is not my boss. Matiang'i is not my boss. Listen here.
Yes.
Matiang'i is a transformative leader that we want to push to take over from William Ruto, because he has demonstrated how he worked well in the Ministry of Communication, digital migration. He worked very well in the Ministry of Education. I don't need to belabor the point. He worked very well as an Interior Cabinet Secretary and the coordinator of national government. He is not my boss. He is the leader Kenya deserves. He is the leader Kenyans have asked for.
He got a boss.